Good evening, students. In this video, we are going to discuss periodic classification of elements, tiny particles, molecules, atoms, and then elements. In those days, scientists discovered many elements. They wanted to classify on the basis of physical, chemical properties of elements. Each element has mass number, atomic number. So on this basis, the scientists mentally Henry Moseley tried to arrange the elements in order in a periodic table. At that time, they faced many problems in arranging elements in the modern periodic tables. Periodic table consists of period and group. Horizontal rows are called as period and vertical columns are called as group. In periodic table, there are 7 period and 18 groups. So scientists created this table and they wanted to arrange the elements in order. So first they considered atomic radius of each element. On this basis, the atomic size decreases in period. Simultaneously, from top to bottom, atomic size are increasing. On this basis, they arrange all metals in correct order. And they get some confusion. Finally, in another way, they proceed to arrange the elements in the periodic table in correct order by their atomic number. What is meant by atomic number? It means number of electrons in an atom is called atomic number. On the basis of atomic number, they arranged the element in ascending order. Modern periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic numbers, which I have said just now. Next, modern periodic table. The modern periodic table is a tabular arrangement of elements in rows and columns, highlighting the regular repetition of properties of the elements. That also I have said just now. 7 rows and 18 columns. Features of periods. Now let us see the periods. The horizontal rows are called periods. How many periods are there in a modern periodic table? 7. So let us see. First period consists of atomic number 1 and 2. This is the shortest period having only two elements. They are hydrogen and helium. Next pass on to second period. Second period consists of atomic number 3 to 10. This is also shortest period. It has 8 elements from lithium to neon. And third period, the atomic number 11 to 18. This is also short period having 8 elements from sodium to argon. Proceeding the fourth period, the atomic number of 19 to 36. It is the long period, consists of 18 elements from potassium to krypton. Among those 18 elements, 8 elements are normal and 10 are transition elements. And pass on to fifth period. Elements, that is atomic number of element 37 to 54, the long period having the same 18 elements as fourth period, from platinum to xenon. Sixth period, atomic number 55 to 86, the longest period, 32 elements, same 10 transition elements, lanthanide. Why I am saying this? In your question paper, they may ask, in fourth period, how many elements are there? What are they? How many elements are normal and how many elements are transition? So likewise, they may ask a question. Let us pass on to seventh one, last one. Seventh period, atomic number 87 to 180. It is also same as the sixth period. 32 elements, 4 elements included by IUPAC. So now we have discussed about period. What is the next part in the modern periodic table? Groups. Very good. Vertical column from top to bottom is called groups. How many groups are there? 18 groups are there. Based on common characteristic, grouped as various family. They grouped the elements in various families. Group number 1, that is vertical column number 1. Name of the family is alkali metals. Group number 2, alkaline earth metals. Group number 3 to 12, transition metals. And 13, boron family, and 14th, carbon family, 15th, nitrogen family, and 16th one, oxygen or halogen family, and 17th one, halogens, and 18th one, noble gases. Likewise, finally, all scientists agreed to make the modern periodic table like this. All scientists agreed it. This modern periodic table is very useful for us to go through the atomic number and chemical properties, and on which basis the elements are classified in the period and the group.